See if that seller lifts. There it is. There we go. All out. What's going on, you guys? My name is Kyle. I'm a full-time futures trader and founder of Opinicus. I've been trading for about 10 years now. I wanted to share this quick trade recap with you. It was a trade that I took today in ES using our 5650 level of interest for a quick 10 to 12 point move up into the overnight high. We break these trades down every single day in the Traders Thinktank and Trading Mentorship group. If this is something that you find valuable, come and join us in the community. Hope you get some value from this. Enjoy. You do have ES up near the highs. I'd keep an eye on that 5650 level of interest. If you like to trade ES, NQ, we're still looking at 20K or the overnight low. All this, just no man's land. No man's land. For ES, you do have that closer proximity to the level of interest there. Coming into session highs now. There's your new high of day on ES. It's a decent push there in ES. Not bad, not bad. Can the overnight high trade? 56.62. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Just shy overnight high. May get trailed. Need that push into the overnight high here for ES. So we're looking for a little micro structure entry there at the 5650 level of interest. ES was a little bit stronger than NQ. Definitely the magnitude of the gap was far less than what we saw on NASDAQ. And you don't you don't have ES into that big pivot quite yet. So structure is a little bit different. Nicole grabbed that ES trade. Nice. See if we get the push into overnight high here or not. After that, it'll just be a one and done morning. ES right into the highs there again. We're looking for that overnight high. So seller sitting right there at 60.5. See if that seller lifts. There it is. There we go. All out. What we got? About 12 points there in ES. I used to say when we traded ES more, 10 points a day, can make a living on 10 points a day in ES. So that'll keep the lights on right there. We take it. So again, looking for just a little micro structure setup right there at the 5650. Give us an area to kind of set risk again, still lean on the level of interest. Not my favorite sort of setup, but looked all right for a push into the overnight high, and that's exactly what we saw. Probably about a 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. 2 to 1, maybe a 3 to, let's see. Yeah, 3.3. Not bad, not bad, not bad. We got NQ into 20K.